So hello guys, what is up? We are back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you like the pros and cons of on how much capital do you need for the meme coin. Part 2. In this video I'm going to show you the scenario on the reality basis, and the chat GPT with the help of chat GPT as well, and the the reality that no one will actually tell you about the coins. So let's open the sketchpad on the other hand, so you can just understand easily. So yeah, let me just clear it out. So a lot of guys have been asking me to, like, how much capital we need for meme coin. Like if you are like starting with the meme coin, I think you should need a 3 sol. The maximum and the minimum should be like 1 sol. So basically, why I just prefer like 1 sol or maximum is 3 sol. Let me just show you an example. For example, if we just buy these mid cap coins, if you invest like if you are learning and don't know how these actually work, like don't know understand, you don't know how the system will work. Like for example, if you buy this coin right now here at $1, and instantly the coin reach to like 100K, for example, you buy the coin like at 9K market cap, which is very early, like very early. You hold like 10% of the token supply, and just the coin just you got lucky. Only 99.9% rug probability. This is the actual reality, and only 1% of these coins just actually go to 100K and 50K. 50K, you have a 50% chance on 50K. So you need to know, like like a lot of people say, like if you invest like $1 at 9K market cap, you make like millions of dollars. But it doesn't it's doesn't real. Let me just show you my trade as well, like how much I made on the Trump coin. For example, I was starting with like $32, and I only invest like $2, and this was actually I have made. But if you see my I don't know, like it doesn't show these stats, like where I just buy the coin or stuff like that. But I remember, like I bought very early, like at 9K market cap with 0.1 cent, and then I just buy again at 48K market cap. So I only made like $6-7 only. Basically I was investing like only $1, or you can say like point 0.5, and because I was doing a challenge, and I was doing a challenge, so that's why I have missed the opportunity. But if you think like, for example, if you just think like if you invest like $1, you make millions, for then you cannot be a good trader. And the second thing is like the wishful thinking. A lot of guys just love the coin. For example, Trump just drop a new coin, and you don't know what's is the story and what's the lineup behind it. So it is useless to buy this coin. And for example, if someone or somehow the coin just get pumped, you get just say you just ape in, and you just buy the coin, and just it immediately dumps. It is basically because of the FOMO. Basically you just think like this coin is a good runner, and you love that coin. But the reason is like that they just get your all the money. And this is the harsh reality, guys. No one will share you. Like you see many YouTubers like Red and stuff like that, they the same thing happened to them, and Ghost as well. So this is the main idea and the ideology. For example, like the rule of the meme coin, you will lose at least like 10 Solana. And at the early, like for example, I just start that trade on the meme coin, I lose like 15 Solana, very early ages, and still I'm losing the money. So basically I'm not the perfect guy, you are learning from, and nobody is the perfect in the atmosphere. Even the orangey has just no accurate strategy. So that's why it's quite very hard. Like for example, if we just see the west, for example, like how it's doing. So you can see like Cupsy. So you let me just show him another trade where he lose the money. Like there are many trades like they just lose money. For example, let me just see this coin as well. So this one is totally bundle. Uh, I need to find the coin basically so I can show you. For example, this coin I have lose the money, and this one, you buy him and lose here. So it's not even me, it's all the traders that are facing the same challenge. So it doesn't matter like how you will manage the risk, but at the end the thing is matter the hype, the story, and the lineup. The hype, the story, you can just mark, and the story and the lineup, the whole balance the coin is moving. So if you just see the previously you see the Trump 2028, a lot of guys in my insider group say like it will go to millions of dollars, but at the end it just end up with the 500k market cap, and then it goes to numb. So the main idea is to when you're just trading the meme coin, you just don't need the emotion and start the trading. Do you know the actual reality with that thing? You actually miss so much opportunities. For example, you miss this one, the paperclip. Right now it's actually 1.4 million. I just saw this coin at at least like 100k market cap, but now right now this thing is like booming, and yeah, I just saw this 100k market cap, but I didn't even I just miss it. So you just know like every day is there is a new play. Like I'm not lying, and I see like many of the you guys are not even trading, and it doesn't matter, if you just not trading, at least you just need to see the coin and the screen on live screen. And I would suggest if you want to invest, like you start with the one Solana, then just put two Solana, then just put three Solana. You will lose money, but at the end of the day, you will just love it. Like you will make money, and inshallah you will retire your parents, but at the end there is a price to pay. Like no one is perfect, and I would suggest you like even the pro traders they are losing the money as well. So yeah, so these freshers are basically the coin launcher as well. You see many freshers, you just copy the fresh wallet and just wait for them to buy, but at the end you just end up with losing your money. This is the actual reality, and yeah, so it doesn't matter like what you are trying to do and how you think. At the end, it's your thing. Like some people I have seen like if you know the Mr. Frog, he just make money on these model coin only. He know when the devil's hell, so he just make money on the model coin as well. But at the end, everyone has their own play style, own filter, and I just want you guys to just put the money and start the work, and yeah, I know it's kind of hard to make money at the moment, but if you are uh, earning like more than $500 or $200, then I would suggest to invest in basically with $5, $50, or you just if you are in the Pakistan or India, I would suggest you to put just $5 and see how the thing works. If you just like it, just put more and more and more. At the end, you need to learn basically, and otherwise you will miss the opportunity. Let me just show you the coin glass as well, the stats on this thing, like the meme coin inflow and everything. So yeah, so if you just see the Bitcoin as well, like I just want to see the Bitcoin index. Like let me just I want to see like the Bitcoin index, and um so I say the heat map. I want the heat map, and I want the grayscale holding as well, to see like Bitcoin dominance as well, and and the whale alert as well, and on chain alert as well, and 2 year multiplier. So basically, I can show you like how the things are working. So right now, you see like there are few coins that are just overloading. For example, like the pump, which is the pump.fun. You see the dex. So basically, let me just show you the pump. For example, let me just go here and show you what is pump. So basically, this is the pump, the BTC governance token. Right now, it's pumping, but at the end, you see like everyone are the in the neutral, and most of them are the meme coin. So you can see like the meme coin is actually working in this market, and it's going so good at the moment. And grayscale holding is like very less at the moment, and it's mean you have a potential to make money in this market. You see the holding is pretty much less. They have sold many things, but if we see the indicator as well, like the BTC price and the total market cap is pretty much less. So which means you can make the money, and yeah. So let me just open the data of the altcoin index. Basically, I want to see the altcoin index. So yeah, if it doesn't come in altcoin seven index. Let me just open the index. Yeah, this is the altcoin season index. Sometime I just don't find the things. And this is the whale alert. Basically, you see like the many of the males are buying the DAI and the Bitcoin. So it means like there's something happening on the on chain analysis. As I given the analysis on the SUI, uh, and I'm giving the analysis, the SUI will go like $10, and it will become next Solana on the next bull run. It will go to $100, and just mark my word, just ape more SUI and SUI and Ondo as well. Yeah. So this one, you see the Bitcoin investor tool, you feel like we are in the buy zone, and when it just go to the red zone, we will sell the money and exit the stuff. And yeah, so I would suggest you to just start the meme coin. You are very early, and no one will know like where you are. And this is the altcoin index. Basically, you see like the Bitcoin index is 14. Altcoin season isn't even started, but yeah. But I don't know what you want, and you are wasting your life and money on the stuff like that a daily basis. Like you just buy some clothes and shit, but you are not investing. If you don't like the meme coin, I would suggest you to buy Sui. I would suggest you to buy XRP. I would suggest you to buy H bar. Do not waste your money, guys. And yeah, if you like the video, I hope you like it, and press the subscribe button, and also press the like button, and follow me for more. Thank you.